Today we're going to find out what happens when you replace your engine oil with vegetable oil. First step, let's go ahead and pull this cap off to help the oil drain. Second step, let's go ahead and get this old oil out. Oh yeah, that looks good. Oh yeah, that looks good. Completely normal. Got good color to it. Looks like it was just changed. Okay, now all the oil is drained, so let's add the vegetable oil. It takes 5 quarts, which the big jug is 4 quarts, and we're adding our other. Yeah, this stuff's nice and thin. It's kind of like ATF, so it'll be perfect for cleaning out this engine. You know, the ATF is a detergent, and it's really good at cleaning motors out when needed. Careful not to spill a drop. This stuff is, it's expensive. Drink up, little buddy. Kind of goes in like water. On every last bit. It's a whole lot easier than Lucas. All right, let's check the old dipstick here. We are just over the full mark. Perfect for those old Chevys. That's where they like to be. All right, last step. Let's fire her up. Keep an eye on the oil pressure. Oh yeah, beautiful. Uh-oh. Seems to have grown a noise. I'm sure that's just lifters pumping up. Probably goes away with throttle.